Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do A/B testing on YouTube thumbnail without Tubebuddy. So basically YouTube artists may expand their reach with Tubebuddy, a set of tools for optimizing YouTube videos and channels. So indeed it's a big help for YouTubers, but actually you can do A/B testing without this tool or platform thanks to this new feature here in YouTube Studio. But first, you must be eligible to have access to this new feature. So if you go back to your YouTube and then you're going to upload a video right here under thumbnail, you will see this test and compare. So this is where we're going to do the A/B testing. What you're going to do is you have to upload at least three thumbnails or images here. If you need to know more about the instruction or knowledge about this, then you can tap this question mark icon and go to learn more in order for you to see what is the exact definition of this test and compare thumbnails. And also, you will see this eligibility requirements below. So go and upload your three thumbnails. And what you're going to do here, for example, I'm going to create a video for Canva for beginner or Canva for beginner, something like that. And I'm quite confused which thumbnail I'm going to use. So I can run this test and compare and wait for 2 weeks. Then I will see the result, or let's just say I will get the winning thumbnail. And of course, the highest percentage is the one that I'm going to use for my video. Okay, so no need to do or go to other platforms and website. Everything is in here inside YouTube channel. You can see this test and compare, and basically that's how you do A/B testing on YouTube thumbnail without this YouTube Buddy platform. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.